going to be really cold. Haha, this is really cold. And it's going to be really wet, which is great. And I hope it'll be freezing my ass off. It's going to be in my room.
Lucky it's not pelting down really, really bad.
I think actually the hardest part is going to be it getting soggy, which will be great.
Bloody cold when the door opens.
Okay, close the door. That's alright. Close it.
Sit through the dog's paws.
Yeah.
Why is he doing this?
I don't know.
Because he's mad?
Yeah, he's mad. It's definitely raining. He's getting cold. Your hands don't get a bit slower.
Is he done?
All done.
And now it's